My man, what's up? Yay! Hey guys, I'm really glad to be here. First time here in Vegas, and first time to meet Chris Palmer and Craig. I have met him like 3 times, but first time here in this place, and I'm really excited. Traveling from Mexico, yeah!
Hi, I'm Craig Campbell here at Digital Unfiltered. The event is about to start. Want to say a big thank you to Turboware, CitationBuilderPro.com and Agency Assassin, who are sponsors for the event. And yeah, it's people are starting to network. This is the VIPs coming in to speak and do a Q&A with the speakers. So yeah, it's all ready to get started.
I'm talking about if you can rank, you can bank. So if you want to sit there and rank with SEO, you can make money. And I'm going to show you how and the mistakes that you make that prevent you from ranking and making money doing it. So we're here with a living legend. What brings you to Digital Unfiltered?
I'm here to cover the event for the SEO video show and meet all the speakers I've interviewed but never met in person.
Let me ask you, right now there's no special effects. Are you feeling a little naked?
No.
All right, what's the most naked you've ever felt?
I guess right now, because I don't have my and
Excellent.
No magic.
Hey, I'm Steve at Digital Unfiltered. I'll be talking about GSC, ChatGPT, and BigQuery later.
Hi, my name is Lisa Parziel, and I'm here at Digital Unfiltered, where we're going to learn some cool shit about AI.
Hey, it's Brian. I'm here at Digital Unfiltered. I'm going to be talking about some Ninja SEO stuff.
Hey, my name is Steven Schullebarger. I'm with the Webpage Publicity Agency. Been doing SEO for over 20 years. I love coming to these conferences. There's always something I get out of it. Someone that says they know everything usually knows nothing, and I'm the type of person that's like, I know nothing because I'm trying to learn everything. That's why I love coming here. It's always something new I get out of all these conferences. Can't wait to see what I learn this time.
Hi, I'm Patrick Rice. I'm here to see Chris Palmer and a guest Craig a little bit, and all the other great guests. Looking forward to a great event. It's going to be killer.
Hey, this is Mike Merlino. I'm here at Digital Unfiltered in Las Vegas, the one and only. Tomorrow I'm going to be talking about a couple little things. Entity image SEO, a little bit of manipulated URLs, referral traffic, how to set up some CTRs. You might even get some free SOPs. You heard me? Oh yeah, it's good.
Hey, this is Chris Palmer, SEO with Digital Unfiltered. I want to go ahead and thank all the sponsors, Turboware, Agency Assassin, Citation Builders, and what you're going to learn today during my talk, well actually the last day, is going to be a year of testing in 45 minutes. I just want to thank everyone for making it out, and I hope to see you next year.
Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Bala, and I'm an affiliate marketer located in California. I came here to see Craig, Campbell, Chris, and Garrett. They're just the information they're about to present. Just like I really wanted to learn more on this, so that's why I just signed up. So that's why I'm here.
Hello, I'm Terry Samuels from Solterra Digital Services. I'm at Digital Unfiltered, and this week I'll be talking about stacking press releases.
Hey, Clint Butler here from Digital Unfiltered. This week I'll be speaking about schema and how to leverage that to rank your websites way easier than you are now.
Hey, what's up? I'm Holly Starks, and I'm at Digital Unfiltered in Las Vegas, and I'm so excited to be here. I'm going to be talking about AI deepfakes, AI stories like Reddit stories, and how to use AI to write things like horror stories.
So this testimonial is after way too many margaritas. But the best thing about the first day, I think, well, one of the really good things I liked was they were all great presentations, but I really liked Dory Friend's presentation on internal linking. It was like, yeah, we all know internal linking is important, but she came with some real data suggesting that internal linking, it has got a lot more power than you think, and I think everyone should really look into internal linking and how they're doing it and how much benefit it really can help with ranker websites. So that's one of my big takeaways from today, the first day. So thank you.
Hey, I'm Jose Ponce here at Digital Unfiltered, and one takeaway from today would definitely have to be Dory's talk on internal links. Blew my mind. I can't believe nobody's ever looked at it that way or mentioned it at all.
Hey, my name is Jonica. I'm from Florida, and I just wanted to say Mike Merlino dropped some huge bombs just now, and if you're not here, you should have been, because it is fire. So thank you guys for putting on this event. It's fantastic.
Hey, my name's Ryan Witten from Southern California. It's a great first day of speakers, and really looking forward to day 2 tomorrow. All right, thanks.
Hello, my name is Lavi Lee from Kansas City. One thing I took away from this is don't ever miss another convention.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan Herr. I'm from Kansas City, and for anybody who didn't come to today's event, you guys missed out on a lot. So much great speakers today, though, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, it's Skylar from Salterra. We're at Digital Unfiltered in Vegas. Greg Campbell, Chris Palmer, ready to take over the internet.
I'm Eric Schwartzman, and this is Digital Unfiltered.
I love it.
Hi, this is Elizabeth Samuels, and I am so excited to be here at Digital Unfiltered. This is going to be an amazing event. It's awesome. You guys really should be here. Hope you have a great day.
Hey guys, this is Campbell, and I'm here at the Digital Unfiltered to just chill out and learn some SEO techniques from all the famous guests out here, and just to interact with my peers. It's been a long time after COVID, so yeah, just here in Vegas, enjoying myself. Cheers.
Hi, my name is Victoria Altman. I am a speaker here at Digital Unfiltered, and I will be covering a free cloud page process. I'm very excited to talk.
What's up? This is Sean with Digital Unfiltered. We're going to have a blast and learn a lot of good shit.
Hey, good morning, good morning. Alfredo Delgado here with Purpose Mind Marketing. Evergreen SEO by Alfredo Delgado. representing Rank Fortress as well, aka William Jones Marketing. I'm happy to be here, networking, meeting others. Chris Palmer, Terry, Ian, and a lot of great speakers today. Look forward to meeting everybody.
Hey, my name is Lawrence Manville from Philadelphia, here to learn more today. Came specifically to see Garrett Acott and some of his stuff because I admire his work. And yeah, I just do my own stuff.
Hey there, I am Chris Palmer with Chris Palmer SEO YouTube channel, and what I'll be talking about today is going to be 1 year of testing in 45 minutes. So glad that you're here, and I'll see you on the slides. Bye.
Hey, I'm Dory Friend, and I'm here at Digital Unfiltered, and I'm going to be speaking about something that's never talked about at all in our industry, and I've done a lot of research. I'm going to share it. It's going to change everybody's SEO.
Learned a lot from Digital Unfiltered. Highly recommend coming here, and it was definitely a great event. And shout out Craig Campbell and Chris Palmer. Good to go.
Hello, I'm Honey Witcher, and I'm at Digital Unlimited. It's been an amazing event. You guys missed out. I can't wait to see you next year. We had lots of up-close personal conversations, a lot of nuggets dropped, things talked about that no one else has ever talked about in any conferences before. So, too bad you weren't here, because it was some pretty amazing stuff.
Hi, this is Ashley, and I'm coming to you from Digital Unfiltered. It was a great event, more high-level stuff than I've ever gotten at any other SEO conference. So I'll definitely be back, and I'll see you next year.
Hi, my name is Dominique. I'm from Denver, Colorado. I think the best takeaway so far is it's a big SEO crash course for anybody who doesn't know. This is going to teach you everything you need to know and give you the tips on the way. So we'll see you next year.
Hey everybody, this is Skylar with Saltera. We just got done at Digital Unfiltered. One of the best nuggets I learned is to get rid of all your third-party keyword tools and just go to GSE. See you next year.
The thing I would say I got away from this event this year is you should never talk to Terry Power. See Terry Power over here? He has nothing good to say about SEO. Probably the worst SEO there is. You should never listen to any of his stuff. Damn straight. Now, let's start again. That was me joking around, by the way. Terry's a really good guy. So I'm not going to delete that one. That was just for fun. Hi guys, it's Simon White here with Local Blitz out of San Diego. I just finished up 2 days of Digital Unfiltered with Chris Palmer and Craig Campbell, etc. Great event, very good first events. Got a lot of great information from both days. I really hope they do it next year because I'll be back. Definitely I want to, an amazing first event. I'm sure it's only going to get better from here. So thanks again, Chris, Craig, and the rest of the guys that actually put this together. Thank you.
Hey, this is Jose at Digital Unfiltered, and I have to say this conference has just been amazing. I can't even pull one thing. There's so much going on in my head, everything that we need to implement. We'll see you next year.
Hello, I'm Lucy, and I just went to Craig Campbell's Digital Unfiltered, and it's been awesome. Thank you. I don't know if that was...
Hello again, this is Chris Palmer, and I just want to thank you for taking the time to come to Digital Unfiltered. I really want to take the time to go ahead and thank the sponsors and thank you, everyone that made it out. I hope to do it bigger and better next year, and I can't wait to see you here. Thank you so much.
So guys, the conference is just about ended. I want to give a big thank you to the sponsors TurboWare, Garrett Acott, CitationBuilderPro.com, and Agency Assassin. But more the speakers, even Paul from the SEO show for making these cool videos. It's been an amazing event, great few days, great venue, and we just want to thank everyone for coming along to the first event, including the sponsors, the attendees, the people like Ted and Eric. So yeah, thank you to everyone for coming along.
Thank you.
I'm Fidan Alizada, Marketing Manager at LinkGraph. This is the third day of the event, last day obviously. It has been an amazing experience. I love the fact that I have a chance to network with all those SEO experts here, and everybody is like so welcoming and genuine. Everybody tries to give the value back to the community. So it has been an amazing experience so far, and I hope I can see you here next year.